Hey YouTube, this is Abdel Carfix, and we have 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan. Um, got a code po520 and po522, which is the oil pressure sensor. Guys, if you look at the repair manual, it will tell you to take this intake manifold out to get to it. It's a lot of work having me take the intake out because it's down here. See, that's the harness for it. That's the harness. That's the harness right there for it. So basically, if you have a small hand, you can reach in there. Okay, you can reach in there under and unhook the harness. First thing you do. Okay, you can't miss it. It doesn't have a lock. It does not have a lock on it on those. Basically, you just reach and press the tab on the back. See that tab? Press it and release it. Then you gotta use a special socket. This socket works great. It's a oil pressure sensor socket. Stick it in there. I put one of those small one to get the small 3/8 extension in there because it's kind of tight in there. You got the coolant hose going through. It's making it hard to get in there. So it's pretty tight, but you can do it. It didn't take much to do it. So this is the old one right here. Okay, and now I'm just waiting on delivery of the new one to insert the new one in there and snug it with the socket. Invest in this socket. This is a good socket to have, especially if you work on cars all the time. It works for oil pressure sensors, most of the oil pressure sensors. So that's simply you take it out and you insert the new one and snug it and put the harness back, and you're good to go. You know, you save yourself a lot of time, a lot of money, because the repair manual will call for removing the intake, and that's a lot of work. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe.